The French Navy has taken a significant step toward modernizing its maritime defense capabilities as the inaugural RapidFire turret destined for its upcoming offshore patrol vessel, PH, fleet has successfully passed industrial testing. This development marks the beginning of integrating an advanced defensive artillery system across a new series of multi-role ships poised to replace the outdated PHM and PSP classes. Crafted jointly by defense heavyweights Thales and Nexter, the 40mm RapidFire system is designed to offer a robust and flexible point defense capability. It is already in use aboard Jacques Chevalier-class supply ships, which each house a pair of these turrets. A total of 4 systems have been deployed, with an additional unit undergoing evaluation on Al-Du-Levant. Now, its installation on patrol vessels initiates a broader deployment phase across various French Navy platforms, including future mine hunters, BGDM, and potentially the next-generation aircraft carrier, PANG. The RapidFire's design is centered on defending against fast, close-range threats, whether airborne or surface-based. Capable of targeting drones, missiles, and even light aircraft, the weapon utilizes the innovative 40mm cased telescoped ammunition system, CTAS. It is fully automated, remotely operated, and equipped with a gyro-stabilized optronic fire control system, enabling a single operator to detect, track, and neutralize targets. With a firing rate of 180 rounds per minute, the turret holds 140 rounds ready for immediate use and can hit targets up to 4 kilometers away. Engineered for deployment both at sea and on land, the system brings agility and precision. It allows instant switching between 5 types of ammunition, including the smart A3B airburst round designed to intercept aerial threats like drones and cruise missiles. The compact nature of the system makes it ideal for both new vessels and upgrades to existing units. Overseen by the French Defense Procurement Agency, DGA, the new offshore patrol vessel program envisions 10 ships, with 7 already ordered and scheduled for delivery between 2027 and 2030. The remaining 3 are expected by 2034. Backed by a €900 million budget, the construction is being carried out by 3 French shipbuilders, Piriou, CMN, and Socarinam, with Naval Group leading the overall design. These next-generation vessels will be the most sizable patrol ships in French naval history, measuring 92 meters and displacing roughly 2,400 tons. Built for endurance over speed, they will cover 6,000 nautical miles over 30 days without resupply. Powered by a quiet diesel-electric propulsion system featuring 2 electric motors, driven by 3,850 kilowatts diesel engines through 550 kilowatts converters, the ships will also benefit from dual-bow thrusters for precise maneuvering in congested ports and littoral zones. Their cruising speed will cap at 21 knots. In terms of onboard technology, the vessels will incorporate a sophisticated suite including Thales NS-54 3D radar, an identification friend or foe, IFF, system, Blue Watcher sonar, dual Wärtsilä SAM radars, optronic sensors, and electronic warfare tools. At the heart of this tech integration will be Naval Group's SETIS-C combat management system, an evolution of the SETIS platform currently found on FREM frigates. Armaments will include the RapidFire cannon, heavy and medium machine guns, and the optional Simba Darcy launcher with Mistral 3 missiles. Designed with versatility in mind, each ship will carry 2 high-speed boats up to 8.5 meters, a hangar, and a flight deck compatible with NH-90 and H-160 helicopters. They'll also be equipped to operate unmanned aerial systems. Despite a relatively small core crew of 54, the ships can accommodate up to 30 additional personnel, including special operations units. While less heavily armed than the Cold War-era A-69 class of ESOs, the new patrol ships are tailored for modern roles, maritime security, fast response, and operations in asymmetric threat environments. The integration of RapidFire systems reflects this pivot to agile, technology-driven defense, optimized for confined maritime spaces. The retirement of the remaining PHMs, currently split between Brest and Toulon, is scheduled between 2025 and 2027, wrapping up more than 4 decades of service. Meanwhile, the PSP vessels stationed in Cherbourg may continue service until around 2027 unless extensions are approved. This overlap will leave a short-term gap in naval coverage, which the new PHs are expected to gradually bridge starting in 2027. Deployment of the 10 PHs will span the French mainland's 3 major naval hubs, 4 in Brest, 3 in Cherbourg, and 3 in Toulon. Their extended reach will enable missions from the Atlantic to the Indian Ocean, supporting operations such as CORIM and offering platforms for civilian evacuations or humanitarian relief. By outfitting these vessels with the RapidFire system and the advanced SETIS-C architecture, the French Navy is enhancing its ability to counter rapidly evolving maritime threats. This shift is especially pertinent in a world facing the increasing use of drones, fast attack missiles, and unconventional warfare at sea. The choices made in this program may well shape the defense strategies of Allied fleets seeking comparable capabilities.